Well, here it is, the Simpson pressure washer, 3200 PSI, 2.5 gallons per minute. I actually ordered it online. I was a little hesitant ordering a big piece of equipment like this online, but it was sent with expandable foam wrapped all around it and arrived in good shape. So assembly's easy. All you got to do is snap the handle in. And then you do have to add the oil, which it comes with plenty. It takes about 3/4 of a package. And here we go. What we're doing now is we're going to actually try this thing out, hooking up the hose, get it nice and tight, and then we'll make the connection for the wand as well. And the gaskets and the rubber seals are really good in it, so we'll see how if it leaks at all. I've seen a lot of them over the years that just tend to leak and spray out there, and that's really irritating. So let's go ahead and crank the water up here, and then we'll take a look and see if anything's leaking or spraying, dripping out of the connections at the pressure washer here. So far so good. Looks like the seal is excellent on this. I'm not seeing a single drop of water coming out. With all pressure washers, before you actually turn the motor on, you're supposed to run the water through the pump a little bit. Make sure the system and the pump is watered down good, otherwise you run the risk of burning out your pressure washer. So let's go ahead and see which nozzle we're going to use. The red one there is pretty much will put a hole in concrete. We're going to be pressure washing the driveway. Yeah, it goes all the way down to the soap nozzle, and the 40 degree there you see it's just for kind of rinsing stuff down. We're going to use the 15 degree, which is going to give us good pressure, and hopefully it'll clean this driveway well. This thing also comes with the soap nozzle, so you can actually run through chemicals or cleaning solutions as well. It'll automatically pump through the wand, which is really a nice feature. See how hard this thing is to start here? We're going to pull out the choke. It's just a little metal ring there that pulls out. We're going to turn it to the on position and crank it. And here we go. Fires right up on the second go there. Still on the choke. Seems like it runs a little rough there at first, but once you get the motor going full speed, it actually stays pretty stationary, which is a good thing. You don't want to have to wonder if your pressure washer is going to run off on you. Here we go, and this thing, it just takes it right off. You can look at this here. It's pretty easy, keeping it about 2 to 3 inches from the surface, and boy, this thing is excellent. I'm really impressed with this pressure washer here. See a lot of these sold these days that got a bunch of plastic on them and the casing, and they look good, but I wanted to go with something more traditional, industrial looking. It's got that Honda motor, and boy, it makes a difference in comparison to some other pressure washers that I've used. I would definitely recommend buying this. It's a great value. For $400 is the sale price that I got on it. And here we have the grading assessment for the unit. Please subscribe. Many more videos to come. Thanks for watching.